If you want to create a polished presentation fast without starting from a blank slide deck, Gamma AI is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a presentation with Gamma AI step by step, so you can turn a simple topic into a full professional looking presentation in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you do not already have one, you can create one quickly and continue from there. After you get into Gamma, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where you can start a new project, browse your existing work, or pick up something you were already building. From the Gamma dashboard, look for the Create New button and click it. Gamma will give you a few different options depending on what you want to make. Since we are building a presentation, choose Presentation. This tells Gamma that you want a slide-style deck instead of another type of document or page. Now Gamma will ask you for the topic of your presentation. This is where you type the main idea you want the slides to be about. Be as clear as possible. For example, you could type something like digital marketing strategies, productivity tips for students, or the future of artificial intelligence. The more specific your topic is, the better Gamma can structure the presentation around it. After entering your topic, click Generate, or continue to the next step depending on the version of Gamma you are using. Gamma will begin creating an outline based on your topic. This outline is important because it shapes the flow of your presentation before the slides are actually built. Take a moment to review it carefully. Look at the headings, the structure, and the order of the points. If anything feels off, this is the stage where you can adjust your direction before the final presentation is generated. If Gamma asks you to choose a theme, go ahead and select one that matches your topic and the style you want. Themes help control the visual appearance of your presentation, including colors, fonts, and overall design. If you are creating a business presentation, you might want something clean and professional. If your topic is more creative, you might choose a bolder or more modern style. Picking the right theme can make a big difference in how the presentation feels. Once your outline looks good and you have selected a theme, click Generate again to create the final presentation. Gamma AI will now turn your topic and outline into a complete presentation with slides, content, and design elements already in place. This is where the real time saving happens, because instead of building every slide manually, Gamma does most of the heavy lifting for you. After the presentation is generated, you can review each slide and make edits if needed. You can change the wording, rearrange the sections, add more detail, or remove anything that does not fit your goal. Gamma is designed to give you a strong starting point, but you still have full control to refine the final result. That means you can use the AI-generated version as a draft and then customize it until it looks exactly how you want. You can also use Gamma to make your presentation more engaging by improving the clarity of the text and making the slides easier to follow. If you are presenting to a class, a client, or an online audience, a clean and well-structured presentation can help you communicate your message much more effectively. And because Gamma builds the presentation so quickly, you can spend more time on the content itself instead of wasting time formatting slides. Another useful tip is to keep your topic focused. If you enter something too broad, Gamma may create a presentation that feels too general, but if you narrow your subject down, the results are usually much stronger. For example, instead of just typing marketing, try social media marketing for small businesses. Instead of writing fitness, try beginner home workout routines for busy professionals. A more focused topic usually leads to a more useful presentation. Once you are happy with the slides, you can share or export your presentation depending on the options available in your account. This makes it easy to use Gamma for school projects, business meetings, training sessions, or content creation. Whether you need a quick draft or a final presentation, Gamma AI can save you a lot of time. So that is how to create a presentation with Gamma AI from start to finish. You open gamma.app, sign in, click Create New, choose Presentation, enter your topic, review the outline, pick a theme if needed, and generate the final deck. It is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.